Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How often should you inspect trailer brake systems? Trailer brake systems are vital for safety, preventing accidents, and reducing long-term repair costs. Regular inspections ensure everything is in working order. Here's what you need to know. Trailer brake systems are crucial for ensuring your safety on the road, preventing accidents, and avoiding costly repairs. Regular inspections are essential to ensure everything is functioning correctly, as neglected brakes can lead to dangerous situations and expensive fixes. The frequency of trailer brake inspections depends on several factors. For light-duty trailers, it's recommended to inspect the brake system every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first. Medium to heavy-duty trailers, which tow heavier loads, may need more frequent inspections, around every 1,000 to 3,000 miles or even monthly, depending on how often they are used and the demands placed on them. Special-purpose trailers, like those used for off-road or specific activities such as hauling boats or horses, should follow the manufacturer's guidelines for inspections, as these trailers have unique braking systems. Several factors influence how often you should inspect your trailer brakes beyond the manufacturer's guidelines. The conditions in which you tow play a significant role. If you're frequently driving on steep hills, mountainous terrain, or through heavy stop-and-go traffic, your brakes are working harder and will need more frequent attention. Similarly, if you're towing heavy loads on a regular basis, the brake system is under more strain, which means inspecting it more often is a good idea. Seasonal factors also matter. Winter salt can cause corrosion, while hot summer temperatures may cause overheating in the brake components, so additional checks during these times are recommended. When inspecting the brake system, there are a few key areas to focus on. First, check the brake pads and shoes. Look for signs of wear, such as thinning material or deep grooves, and measure their thickness. If they're too thin, it's time to replace them. Next, ensure the electrical components are working properly. This includes checking the wiring for damage and ensuring the brake controller in your vehicle is sending the correct amount of power to the trailer's brakes. Additionally, assess the brake drums and rotors for cracks, scoring, or excessive rust, as these can affect braking performance. Finally, it's important to test the brake response to ensure the trailer stops smoothly and consistently without pulling to one side. If you notice any significant issues, such as grinding noises, uneven braking, or a weak or spongy brake feel, it's time to consult a professional. These types of problems often require specialized knowledge and tools to repair. A mechanic will have the expertise and equipment to pinpoint hidden issues and perform the necessary repairs. To extend the life of your trailer brakes, keep up with routine cleaning and lubrication. Regularly clean the brake components, especially after trips through muddy or salty roads, to prevent rust and corrosion. Applying proper lubrication to moving parts like pins and springs helps reduce friction and keeps the system running smoothly. Additionally, practicing proper loading techniques is important for reducing strain on the brakes. Make sure the weight is evenly distributed across the trailer and avoid overloading it, as this can increase the risk of brake wear and reduce stopping power. In summary, regular inspections are essential for maintaining your trailer brake system's safety and longevity. By following manufacturer recommendations, considering your towing conditions, and keeping an eye on key components, you'll ensure your brakes remain in top condition. If problems arise, don't hesitate to seek professional help to keep everything working properly and avoid potentially dangerous situations on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.